Hello and welcome to another episode of MCQs for Judiciary Exams. Let's begin. Which article of the Constitution of India guarantees equality before the law? Article 19, Article 15, Article 14 or Article 21? The correct answer is option C, Article 14. Recently, in the Janshruti People's Voice versus Union of India and others case, the Supreme Court dismissed the PIL, stating that there was no reason to interfere with the legislative policy behind Section 498A of IPC. It noted that the plea claiming the provision violated Article 14 was misconceived. Article 14 of the Constitution of India 1950 affirms the fundamental right of equality before the law and equal protection of law to all persons. Next. Which section of the CRPC requires a person to be informed of the grounds of arrest and their right to bail? Section 50, Section 51, Section 47 or Section 54? The correct answer is option A, Section 50. Recently, in the Manjeet Singh alias Inder alias Manjeet Singh Chana versus State of Uttar Pradesh and two others case, the Allahabad High Court overturned the arrest of a man in a forgery and cheating case, citing the failure to provide written reasons or grounds for his arrest. Section 50 of CRPC provides that a person arrested to be informed of grounds of arrest and of right to bail. Next. Under which section of the Indian Copyright Act 1957 is fair dealing provided? Section 50, Section 51, Section 52 or Section 54? The correct answer is option C, Section 52. Fair dealing is provided under Section 52 of the Indian Copyright Act 1957. It allows limited use of copyrighted works for private use, research, criticism, review, reporting or judicial purposes. Fair dealing applies only to literary, dramatic, musical and artistic works, not computer programs. Next. The provision in Article 22, Clause 1 of the Constitution ensures transparency and fairness in which process? Trial proceedings, legal consultation, bail hearings or arrest and detention? The correct answer is option D, arrest and detention. Article 22, Clause 1 of the Constitution of India 1950 provides a fundamental right guaranteeing an arrested person the right to be informed of the grounds of arrest. Next. Period of detention in civil imprisonment as a consequence of disobedience or breach of any injunction shall not exceed 1 month, 3 months, 6 months or 1 year. The correct answer is option B, 3 months. As per the order 39, Rule 2A, period of detention in civil imprisonment as a consequence of disobedience or breach of any injunction shall not exceed 3 months. Now it's time for the practice question. Exchange under Transfer of Property Act is equal to partition, gift, sale or none of these. Send the answer of this question in the comments below. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.